Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about some more feature of the Entra ID. So previously we have discussed about the user sections. In the under the user section we have the one very important feature of the password reset policies. So if I'm going to the reset password reset setting under the password reset properties, we are getting the property section. In the property section you can see if somebody is or organization, any of the organization wants to reset their password, or we can say the enabling the self service password policy. So in here you can try it and you can enable it. Okay, so it depend that the user or the organization required this password reset policy for the particular users, or you can use it for, or you can enable it for your whole organization. So first in the property section, we have the self-service password enable policy. In the policy sections, you can select, you can go to the selected options, and the other one is the all. So if you want to try some selected groups, so you can create your own custom group and enable and select in this particular selected group. So those members part of that group will be able to reset their password. Okay, the self service password. Okay, in the second one is the all. If I selected the all option, that everyone in my organization have the permission to reset their password by their own. Okay, so the second one is the authentication method, that if somebody is trying to reset their password, we required authentication. Okay, the selected user is the exact or the a genuine user trying to reset their password. So we have the number of the method required to reset their password. One is the number of the method required for the reset, available for mobile app notification if they have the authenticator app, mobile app code, email, mobile phone, office phone, and security question if you are just trying to enable it. Okay, so you can select multiple options over here. Otherwise you can choose it single one and you can start working on it. The second method is the, if you try to number of method you are trying to increase it, you can just go and select the first and second method for authenticating themselves. Okay, if I'm going to the second one, I can select the email. Okay, so now I have two step verification required for reset my password. Okay, so these things that you can use it. In the registration option is basically for trying to register for the MFA and reconfigure their authentication information of the number of days you can identify it. So if I'm going to the I section, you can get the details of and the maximum number of the days that what we can set up in the number of days user can ask their reconfigure their authentication information. Okay, so in the notification section, so if you want that user will, or once they reset their password, so user can notified it, also notified the admin that have a global admin user in this tenant, also will get the authentication, the notification that okay, somebody in your organization reset their password. Okay, is the customization, you can say the help desk link, that if you want to enable it for that user, so you can use that help desk link that will automatically go to that particular uh, location, and they can do one thing, they can raise their ticket for uh, the password or contact your IT manager. On premises integration, it is a part of the Intune that you have to set up with the uh, AD. So if you have already configured your on-prem AD with Azure Active Directory, that time you need to enable the password write back option, that if you have reset their password from of M365, it will automatically reset their password from anywhere. Okay, so the new password need to be applied for it. Okay, so administrator policy, it depend that if it's a by default created by the organization IT manager, or we can say the global admin user. But you can see that what kind that admin can also see that okay, these are the policy, they have enabled it. Okay, audit logs, that for the for activity check and users usage and sign in inside, you can also get the report and metrics, that okay, how many user have capable to MFA and passwordless authentication. Also you will get the diagram basis or the row column basis level of metrics over there. If you go into the usage sections, also you will get the report of the authentication sign in and authentication method over here, and the number of password they have reset their own password. So you can get that report from there, from here. Okay, so these things that you can, your organization can easily manage it from both the side, like from portal as well as the BI option, that you can check it. Thanks for the time, have a good day, bye bye.